In the heart of the forest lies a place most creatures avoid: the mud zone. This soggy, sticky, and wonderfully mysterious area is where nature's puzzles come to the surface, waiting to be solved. When the everyday pets we know from our homes, curious dogs, perceptive cats, and even clever birds, team up with their wild neighbors like foxes, raccoons, and owls, they form an unexpected detective agency. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Their big ears also help them stay cool by releasing heat. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods, alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live 65 to 80 years or more. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. They mainly eat deer, elk, moose, and smaller animals. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. They need wide open spaces to spot and chase prey. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Wildebeests are large antelopes found mostly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, especially in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests are herbivores. They eat mostly grass and sometimes leaves. Wildebeests can run fast, reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, to escape danger. Sloths live in the rainforests of Central and South America. Sloths spend almost their entire lives in trees, hanging upside down. Sloths have long claws, up to 4 inches (10 centimeters) for hanging from tree branches. Sloths are mostly herbivores, eating leaves, buds, and fruit. Moose thrive in cold climates thanks to a thick, insulating coat. They are so well adapted that scientists have found they don't even begin to feel the cold until temperatures drop far below zero. Moose often feed on aquatic plants. They can close their nostrils, which acts like a valve to keep water out while they graze underwater. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them, but they have 2 blind spots. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles, away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. A tiger's body can grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long, including its tail. They form an unexpected detective agency. Together, they follow clues that humans often miss, from strange tracks and hidden burrows to unusual scents carried on the damp air. Equipped with unique natural talents, this investigative team is perfectly suited for the task.